Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. When we follow on the trails of the transmission of the oral lineage, our awareness will dawn with no delay. The wisdom of blazing light is the supreme pathway. We are not distracted for our supreme heart essence. Everything, just as we have discussed, is an end for our truly perfect wisdom. In non-dual perfect wisdom, we totally cut through our cravings for extremes and middles. Those who crave a self-luminous intent use their attached cravings as the objective of their happiness, while attachment and non-attachment are the extremes of words. They do not go beyond our self-luminous intent. We study the two kinds of investigation, and we present our requests. We use the penetrating instructions for granting a core to settle into an objective that is certain. We do not seek for a mandala that is uncontrived just as it is, but by way of its spontaneous realization, we use the measure of the warmth of our non-dual awareness to abide within our natural state without distraction. Without a search, to the direct perception of our awareness, we use self-luminosity to meet and touch where there are no objects. We do not grasp. We use the samadhi of the middle way to be as clear as the center of the ocean. The path of clarity does not move. We are beyond any objectives. Non-conceptuality is the supreme transmission. Not searching is a quest for a self-originating objective. Without contemplating any extremes or middles, we are clear in our awareness. The awareness of the fortunate is brilliantly cleansed. They do not look to their bodies or their lives. They mix their hearts with their heartbeats. They persevere in the secret gifting of their core. If someone has failed in his secret vow, he will be destroyed without delay. He will become a great associate of the world. His contemplations will be examinations. Those who are bad recipients will lose their courage and be expelled. There are those that do not get the secret significance, but study with an attachment to the words of the world. For their path of practice, they use words and implements, and they brilliantly work toward the stages of their studies.